Nurse manager, I'm concerned about Mr. Kevin's condition. His blood pressure is dropping, and he's becoming increasingly lethargic.
Thank you, Mihira, for bringing this to my attention. Let's assess his vital signs and notify the doctor.
I've already checked his vital signs. His oxygen saturation is also low. I believe he might be in septic shock.
That's a serious concern. We'll need to act quickly. Prepare to administer intravenous fluids and monitor his vital signs closely.
I've already notified the doctor, and they're on their way. Should I prepare to intubate the patient?
Yes, it's prudent to be prepared for intubation in case his respiratory status deteriorates. Inform the respiratory therapist to be ready.
I'll also ensure that the patient is comfortable and has any necessary medications readily available.
That's important, Mihira. We'll need to update Mr. Kevin's family about his condition and the potential need for further interventions. Mihira, I can see how much you're going through, and I want to assure you that what you're feeling is valid. Exam stress is tough, but when it builds up without being managed, it can have some effects on your body and mind that can make things even harder. For example, high stress can lead to increased anxiety, making it harder to concentrate or even remember things you've studied. It can also interfere with your sleep, which is so important for focus and energy. Physically, unmanaged stress can weaken your immune system, meaning you might feel run down or catch colds more easily. Stress can also cause headaches, upset stomachs, or muscle tension, which only adds to the frustration. It's important to recognize these risks so we can work together to prevent them. The good news is that there are practical steps we can take to manage your stress and support your health through this challenging time. You're not alone in this, and I'm here to help guide you.